do a little bumping around. I might throw my bills out the window, catch a train to another town, but I go back working. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. I drink a little bit, cry a little bit of these working man blues. Well, I said, hey, working man like me, ain't never been on welfare. That's one place I'll be, 'cause I'll be working. I gotta buy them kids a brand new pair of shoes. I'll drink a little bit in the evening, cry a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, I'll drink a little beer at the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. There you go. That's some Merle Haggard music for you.
You know
folks, once again, we're the U.S. Navy Band Country Current. We are honored to be here celebrating the International Navy Review and the 250th birthday of the United States of America. Let's hear it for that, guys. So awesome to be here with y'all. Here's a song all about how lucky we are just to be living right here in America today. We wouldn't be here without you guys. We've got one more song we're going to do. We're the U.S. Navy Band Country Current. We've had an absolute blast. We're going to be all around the city the rest of the weekend. We hope to see you around. Enjoy. God bless you. We'll see y'all next time. All right. To the Beatles singing back in the USSR. Yeah, she's gone around the world tonight, but she ain't leaving here. She's just gonna meet her boyfriend.